Hey, and welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing blinged out Nike sandals. So I'm just opening up some Swarovski crystals, and that's the crystals that I'm going to use on the sandal. Now there's different crystals that you can use, but just be mindful that the cheaper ones are not going to get a much blinged out shiny effect. So I'm just using some E6000 glue, and this glue is really good when it comes to sticking rhinestones because it's some heavy duty industrial glue. Now, previously, when I did the first shoe, I tried to put the rhinestones all over the word Nike. And when I started with the N, I noticed I didn't have enough rhinestone to do the whole word. So I just decided to do the outline of the word Nike inside. And you could pretty much see it on the bed on the other side. So that's the design I was just going for. I used the pick me up stick that I got from Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description below. But its tip is made out of some rubbery sticky thing that basically allows you to pick up the rhinestones. Because before I was doing it with tweezers, and that took so long. Because imagine you're holding it with the tweezer, right? And the thing just falls off. Like, it was annoying. So this one, you know what? I like it. I like this tool. And y'all, I do not know what's up with my cat. As much times as I told him to get out the way and to move, he did not want to listen to me. Now you got the gist of it. We're done. So this is me basically finishing up the sandal. But I couldn't help to feel that it was just too plain. So I decided to go ahead and do some random dots all over the front because I felt like it was missing something. And at first I wanted to add fur to it, like that faux boa. But I was like, look, okay, that might not even look right. So I decided to stick tiny rhinestones in the front as well. Now, I did run out of rhinestones from the previous packs, so I basically used up some leftover that I made from my other sandals. So yeah. Okay, so E6000 glue can get a bit messy, so I made sure I took off the webs while it was drying. I started taking them off. Mind you, it takes like 24 hours for this glue to set. I'm showing you guys my other Nike slides in this video because they were also blinged out, and then they had like a glitter ribbon as the check, and you can see that's coming off. Like having a pet, he literally was scratched at my slides. So I'm gonna revamp them. That's gonna be a new video in the works. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm open for any more ideas. Like, this is my craft right here. So if you guys have ideas, just drop them in the comment section. Thanks. Bye.